My husband and I have been all about taking ginger shots, but I have been taking the time to make them, and I do it weekly, and it is a lot of work. So when they reached out to me to see if I wanted to try theirs for my review, I was like, yes, please. This is going to be so much easier. So this one here, this is fancy. This is like a pineapple ginger turmeric in here, and these are like little single packets for on the go, which I think is really awesome. So basically it is, I was like, how do I even take this? Because I thought I would have to mix it in like, 10, 12 ounces of water, but no, it is like your typical ginger shot. So let's go ahead and open this up. And so it's meant to be mixed. Check this out. So you've got these cute little packets here, and it's meant to be mixed in 2 ounces of water. So I've just put some water. I wanted them cold. I like mine to be nice and cold. So I did just throw some ice in here. So I'm going to throw it in here just to make sure I can shake it up really nice, and then I will put it in the little glass. Let's check out that color there. Actually, I wanted to. You know what? More pineapple-y than ginger, which is surprising because ginger can be like such an overpowering smell. But we're interested, obviously, to see what the taste is going to be like. I want to make sure I shake that up real good. Nobody wants any chunks. Dissolves pretty well. Because, again, as I said, I thought for sure I'd have to like do 10, 12 ounces. Oh, I still have a little clump in there. It's probably because of the ice, but it's okay. Yeah, it smells like pineapple. Like, I feel like when I make them, it is like, oh, it's just like, it hurts, Whereas this one was like, oh, that was actually really lovely. This one's definitely sweeter, more pineapple-y than any of the other flavors. But man, this is so much easier than juicing everything myself, especially when I'm in a hurry and on a go. Highly recommend. These are great.